So hi guys, welcome back to the Code Thinker. So have you ever needed a fully automated dynamic calendar in Excel that updates instantly when you change the month and year? What if you could navigate between month with just a click like this? In this tutorial, I will show you that how can build a powerful auto updating calendar in Excel using VBA with navigation button for next and previous month. By end of this, you will have a fully functional tool that updates instantly and is perfect for tracking schedules, deadlines, or project planning. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. We first need to set up our calendar layout. Let's start with headers and data grid. So here I'm taking first row as a month and year headers. Then we need to put months in B2 and year in D2, and rest is the structure of our calendar, basically starting from Sunday. And there is you can say we have 6 row in continuation. So just for saving the time, I have already prepared this structure. You can prepare the structure as you want to design it. So that's totally depends on you, that how you can make it look like. So let's jump to the VBA code. As we have already done with our macros, so it's time to test that how it is working. So we have all 3 macros ready here, and next month macro and previous month macro I have already assigned with my buttons. And how to create button, just you need to simply insert here, go here, selecting the button and click on the macros, then it will be assigned. I'm just showing you the demo so that you are aware that how this assignment can be done. So we are all set. Now it's time to check whether it is working or not. Suppose I enter first month of 2025. So it was Wednesday on the 1st. You can go and check it out. Now one more feature I have added here, that you can see that there are 2 1 here. So I have highlighted this with other color and make the fonts a little bit smaller so that it can easily identify that this is belongs to the next month. So our month is in bold and the black. So suppose you click on the next month, so accordingly it will be updated one by one, and it's not stop here. You can see the previous dates like 1800. If you want to see, then you can see it. Similarly 2026, see, it is updating. So this is how you can create a dynamic auto updating calendar in Excel that respond instantly to change the month and year. Plus we have added next month and previous month button to navigate it seamless. This is not just a simple calendar, it's a powerful Excel tool that can be used for scheduling, tracking deadlines, managing project, and even personal planning. With a few VBA tweaks, you can customize it further by adding features like event marker, conditional formatting, or even holiday autofill up as per your region. Now, if you have enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, do me a favor, hit a like button to support the channel. If you haven't already subscribed to Code Thinker, and turn on the notification bell so that you can never miss an advanced Excel automation video. So for today's video, isn't it? If you enjoyed it, just give a like. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care, and happy coding.